Your car loan is probably costing you $3,000, $8,000 in interest over its life. Here's how to cut that number in half. $35,000 car at 7% for 60 months equals $6,600 in interest. Most people don't calculate this, they only think about monthly payment. Paying it off 12 months early saves $1,200 plus in most cases. Pay one extra monthly payment per year, split into 12 monthly editions. $400 per month, $433 per month equals pay off 8 months early, save $800 plus. Always specify apply to principal, or they apply it to future payments. If rates dropped or your credit improved, refinance for lower rate. Even 1% lower on $30,000 equals $300 per year savings. Credit unions typically beat banks on auto loan rates. Check yours. Apply any windfall, tax refund, bonus, gift directly to principal. $2,000 extra payment on year 2 of a 5-year loan saves $700 plus in interest. Call your lender and say apply to principal balance. Important. Get my car loan payoff calculator at https://funbiz.gumroad.com. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.